Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money on Thumbstack. Thumbstack involves offering your services as a professional or freelancer to individuals or businesses looking for specific services. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how to earn money on Thumbstack. Sign up and create a profile. First, start by visiting the Thumbstack website or downloading the mobile app. Second, sign up for an account as a service provider. Lastly, create a detailed profile that highlights your skills, experience, certifications, and any relevant information about the services you offer. Select your services. Choose the types of services you want to provide from the available categories on Thumbstack. These categories can range from home improvement and photography to tutoring and pet care. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing strategy for each service you offer. You can choose to set fixed rates, hourly rates, or provide custom quotes based on the specific job requirements. Verification. Thumbstack may require you to verify your identity and qualifications, especially in categories where licensing or certification is necessary. This verification process helps build trust with potential clients. Respond to leads. Thumbstack will send you leads, which are essentially requests for your services, based on your chosen categories and location. Review and respond to these leads promptly. You can send quotes, messages, and additional information to potential clients who are interested in your services. Craft quality responses. When responding to leads, create personalized and professional messages. Next, highlight your qualifications, experience, and why you're the best choice for the job to stand out from other service providers. Secure jobs. If a client is satisfied with your quote and message, they may hire you for the job. Once hired, maintain clear communication with the client to fully understand their needs and expectations. Complete the job. Provide high-quality service and ensure that you meet the client's expectations. Address any issues or concerns promptly to maintain a positive rating and reputation. Request reviews. After completing a job successfully, politely ask satisfied clients to leave a review on your Thumbstack profile. Positive reviews can help attract more clients in the future. Market your services. Promote your Thumbstack profile through social media, your personal website, or other marketing channels to increase your visibility and attract more leads. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Thumbstack provides tools to help with financial management. Improve your skills. Consider furthering your skills and obtaining additional certifications to make your services more attractive to clients. It's important to note that competition can be stiff on Thumbstack, so providing excellent service, building a positive reputation through reviews, and offering competitive pricing are key to your success. Thumbstack may also charge fees for leads or when you secure a job through their platform, so be sure to understand the cost structure. Patience and persistence are essential, as it may take time to build a consistent client base and income on Thumbstack. Remember that Thumbstack is just one platform for finding clients and projects. Diversify your client acquisition strategy by exploring other avenues, such as building your own website, utilizing social media, or networking within your community. This can help you create a stable and sustainable income. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something on how to earn money using Thumbstack.